2023 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition. First look. The annual appearance of KTM Factory Editions models is a highlight of every year for off-road fans. And the 2023 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition off-road racer is no exception. Based on the standard 350 XCF, the Factory Edition gets all of this year's updates, and adds an impressive array of upgrades. Let's go through them. The front end gets extra attention. You'll find orange-anodized KTM factory triple clamps with adjustable offset grasping the WP Xact fork. The fork is adorned with a factory holeshot device to help the rider get to the first corner in the lead. That's a KTM factory wheel with a D.I.D DirtStar rim, plus a semi-floating 260mm disc protected by a carbon fiber guard. The CNC-machined hub is anodized orange. The rear of the bike is not ignored. The rear wheel is also a KTM factory item with a DirtStar rim. Bolted to the orange-anodized hub are a solid 220mm disc and an orange aluminum sprocket. To save weight and add power, a titanium FMF muffler is installed. Protecting the motor is a composite skid plate and Hinson clutch cover. The factory seat is made by Selle dalla Valle. The Italian company has been making seats for the likes of KTM, Husqvarna, BMW, Ducati, and MV Agusta since 1970. In addition to all the goodies with orange anodizing, the 2023 Factory Edition gets its own FMF KTM factory racing graphics. There will be no doubt what you're riding when you line up for a cross-country race. 2023 KTM 350 XCF Factory Edition specs. Engine type: single-cylinder 4-stroke displacement, 350cc bore X-stroke, 88 by 57.5 mm compression ratio, 14.6, 1 valvetrain, DOHC, 4 valves starting, electric lubrication, pressure lubrication with 2 pumps fueling, K&FE with 44 mm throttle body transmission, 6-speed clutch, diaphragm spring wet multi-disc with Brembo hydraulics final drive, 5/8 by 1/4 chain chassis, frame, central double cradle chromoly steel subframe, aluminum reinforced polyamide handlebar, Nikon tapered aluminum front suspension, fully adjustable WP Xact inverted 48mm fork, 12.2 inches rear suspension, linkage assisted fully adjustable WP Xact shock, 11.8 inches wheels, D.I.D DirtStar front wheel, 21 by 1.60 rear wheel, 18 by 2.15 front tire, 80/100 by 21. Dunlop Geomax MX33 rear tire. 110/100 by 18. Dunlop Geomax AT81 front brake. 260mm disc with Brembo caliper rear brake. 220mm disc with Brembo caliper dimensions and capacities. Wheelbase: 58.5 inches rake. 26.1 degrees triple clamp offset. 22mm seat height. 37.5 degrees ground clearance, 13.5 inches fuel capacity, 2.24 gallons wet weight, 241 pounds.